people are always asking me, hey, Bob, when's the best time to be putting out pre-emergent in the springtime? Also, when's my best time to, start pushing my lawn? When should I be putting down fertilizer to help push everything? And so I wanted to kind of do a little tutorial. The best conditions for handling any springtime yard work is, it's right now. So, these are the best conditions right now to really push your yard. If you want to get out there, you're not going to get bothered by neighbors. You're not going to get bothered by, amateurs coming by. Hey, what are you doing, man? Can you show me some pointers? This is really the best time to be out here and working, because everybody's going to not bother you, and you can really get a lot of work done whenever you're out here doing this stuff. So if you're committed and you want a good yard, you should be outside right now working, busting your butt off. Don't worry about the hail. That'll melt out. It's all good. So, just get out here. Run to Lowe's real quick. Get your pre-emergent. Get your diamine. Get whatever you need. Get out there and get some yard work done. This is the good stuff. Don't worry about. If you think, Bob, I shouldn't put that stuff down. It's just going to wash off. If I put down fertilizer, put down granulars, won't that just wash off of that Amazon of a river that's in your roadway? Hey man, you're focusing on the wrong part of the story. Let's just throw it down. It's good to go. This is what it's all about. But anyways, like I'm saying, if you want a good yard, you should be out working right now. Focusing up. Now we're getting the golf ball size stuff. So it's even better. This is even better conditions to be working in your yard. So, God, just got smoked. Look at that. It's kind of snowing out. This is insane. Look at the freaking Amazon River out here. Look at that ridiculousness. Like I said, this is the best time to be working in your yard. You throw down some granulars out here. You don't have to wait for it to water it in or anything like that. You throw down some granulars, that stuff will start to disintegrate on its own. I mean, you'll be good.